Yes, me lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. Me people, I have a story for you today. And I didn't know this myself either. Did you know that there are institutions in Jamaica that caters predominantly for American kids? Me mean the one them with behavioral problem. The unruly bad breed one them will give you a problem. People, I didn't know this. Did you know? Me people, I go break down this story right now. Because the reason why this even come up, and me even know. Funny enough, a couple months ago there were allegations regarding something to this, but me never looked too deep into it. But now, there are fresh allegations that the institutions which cater for these American kids, the unruly bad breed one them, will not behave themselves, right? Another institution catering mostly to American youths facing fresh allegations of abuse, right? Make we jump right into it now, my people. There are fresh allegations of abuse being leveled against another institution in Jamaica which caters to adopted American children with behavioral problems. Remember, you know, if you have a bad pitney in Jamaica, you can't even get a visa to go to America. But you see, you go, America pack up a whole of them bad breed pitney them, where you give people a problem and take them and have them in an institution. Them they are Jamaica. One whole institution of them. And now look here. Look how big America is and how established and have everything to do anything at all. But we don't need Jamaica for people put pitney. Where you get problem. They can't do with America. Boy, yo boy, me I tell you. Moving on, people. The Child Protection and Family Service Agency has since launched an investigation at the Ministry of Education registered Youth of Vision Academy in Port Maria, St. Mary. Boy, oh boy. The private Christian boarding school provides behavioral, therapeutic, and educational service to majority non-nationals from the United States, 7 years and older. You know see what me I tell you now? I foreign pitney them a bad breed. Cause you know so have some foreign pitney. They rude. Them no have no manners and no behavior. Why not keep them in a big America? No. Jamaica will not send them. So Jamaica now see they know them say a Christian boarding school. It no matter what kind of boarding school. America pitney a give problem. America a big country. We have how much therapists, we have how much psychologists, we have how much something we need them a little pitney. Jamaica have enough problem down there already. You understand me I say? Boy, oh boy, me I tell you. So them say these kids have to be 7 years and older, right? For them put them in the institution there, the boarding school. In response to queries, the CPFSA said it commenced its investigation on March 27 after US-based attorney, right, made allegations of physical and sexual abuse, trafficking and food deprivation. So they might deprive them of food basically, right, and they might touch the little pitney them basically, and them the allegation the attorney make from America. The attorney, right, has made the allegation public after facing a roadblock in trying to get a 17-year-old ward at the facility released to the care of her guardian who had traveled to Jamaica. Hold on, me not get this right. The attorney made the allegations public after facing a roadblock in trying to get a 17-year-old pitney with their Jamaica, American pitney. A bad breed one, them will give me a problem and stress and everything. The bad pitney them in America, right? What them send to Jamaica. them try to get them released from the facility to the care of their guardian who had traveled to Jamaica. So the guardian live a foreign. Why do you never care the pitney when they little and grow? Why would you need to send them to Jamaica? Now you want to take them and say you need a problem to get them back. Or you need to take care of no one pitney for America. America have everything. Why is it? Why would you even send them to Jamaica in the first place? Why Jamaica even have something like this then? Me not know if America have no institution up there where it's solely Jamaican bad kids, the bad pitney them find that they get to Jamaica. Them send them up to America, them give them visa, send them to America, and America have a Christian institution will take care of them. No, me not think America have that. I mean, no America no want that either. But guess what? Jamaica have to do it. Boy, oh boy. Well, speaking on Tuesday, the attorney said 10 clients ages 13 to 22 were interviewed and provided graphic details of physical and sexual abuse that they allegedly endured while at the institution in recent years. Boy, oh boy, what going on the Christian place there? So, me I tell you no? Alright. Co-founder of the institution has denied the allegation and has directed queries to the U.S. attorney. In the meantime, the Child Protection and Family Service Agency has said it does not have any evidence to substantiate allegations of any abuse to date at the Youth of Vision Academy. So them do them investigation, the Child Protection Agency in Jamaica, and them say nothing no go so. Lie them a tell a go home, if they want go home, then turn big, no one ready for this and ready for that and one garden yard. Right? Okay. The Child Protection and Family Service Agency, in an email response, said it does not have evidence to support the allegations of forced labor at the school. It also said it has not received any formal complaint about operation at the institution. The agency did confirm that it assisted the Canadian authorities with the recent removal of 3 children from the facility. In relation to claim by attorney, right, the attorney from America, that the Child Protection Family Service Agency has not cooperated with releasing the 17-year-old child to American authority, the agency said it has provided the Child Protection Service with guidance regarding how to proceed with the effecting the release. In the meantime, the attorney said that the matter concerning the removal of 8 teenagers from the Atlantis Leadership Academy in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, following allegations of abuse, continues in the parish court. So them have one of them a place that don't have, hold on. Them have one at St. Mary and them have one at St. Elizabeth too. How much of them a place that in Jamaica? With American bad pitney them? No man. The American-owned institutions, which has been shuttered, cared for troubled teens. See, an American-owned institution, but them send it Jamaica and send the whole of it. Oh, Jamaica no have no Jamaican-owned institution in America where you can send some of the bad people them from the ghetto and save them from the crime and violence. Alright. The attorney who has been assisting in the case, right, pro bono, said most of the boys have returned to the United States. My understanding is that the school continues to be closed. I believe that the criminal case is continuing and there is an additional court hearing this coming Wednesday. So that's the one for down at St. Elizabeth. She noted that 2 of the youth that were remanded to the care and custody of the Child Protection Family Service Agency remain in Jamaica, and it's been very complicated in trying to secure their return. Apparently, I believe due to issues within the United States in securing their placement in foster care in the state that they originally came from. Me not understand this here, man. Look how much foster home in America. I will not tell me say when you take America pitney house them in Jamaica, how much school there Jamaica institution just for America pitney. I could have what kind of benefits to America give Jamaica from this. Why troubled youths who are young and misled and who can't think for themselves in a Jamaica don't get an opportunity to get faster than an American foster care system until them reach the age and become a better person, then can come out and go do something else? How that work? You see what me telling you about Jamaica? Jamaica is a country like this. Any country where you spend little money can get them to do anything. But guess what? That same country will never return the favor for Jamaica. Remember when they have a little pitney, yes I know, you know. If he misbehave and he have problem with police, he have behavioral problem, America don't want that child in their country. But guess what? America can't take up for them bad breed pitney them. They want them to be a problem. They want them with nothing but trouble and send them to Jamaica. In multiple parishes. How that work. See, they know them get big when them have to put the pressure upon Jamaica. So you know abuse them pitney ya. You know sexual them pitney ya. You know deprive them of food. You know make them work underage. All different kind of same thing. So how it go? It come like you're sorry for Marga dog and then turn right round and bite you. People, this is an eye-opener to me because I never know them are sitting here. If you don't know, you tell me, but this is something brand new for J Progress. Believe. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You not have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. I just one J Progress Entertainment. Believe.